Wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this. Wake up back over and over.
Hello guys, my name is Kanisha Lachey. Welcome back to my channel, and we're just going to hop right into the video. I was sent over some hair from Curlsqueen, the 20-inch Light Yaki Clip-ins, and we're just going to jump right into the video. I'll show you guys what came inside the box. I have a brush here. I have a satin bonnet. We can always use a bonnet. And I also have some extra clips just in case we need those. And we also have here a bag, a Curlsqueen bag. This is what the actual clip-ins arrived in. And here are the actual clip-ins. They came in a hairnet, so we're just going to remove this hairnet, and I'm going to show you guys the quality of this hair, showing you guys all the clip-ins, and I'm going to actually run my fingers through. It's really soft. And here I'm just counting all the clip-ins that I have, and they actually came in different lengths. Some are short, some have 2 clips, some may have 5 clips. So I actually have 10 rows that I'm going to be using, all 10 rows. Here is also a brochure that came in a box. It has contact information and return information, and here's the front of the brochure. And here I'm showing you guys my natural hair. I have been natural for about 10 years, and this is my natural hair. So here we start the prepping for the actual clip-ins. I actually flat ironed each piece of clip-in, and I'm opening each comb on the clip-in, and what I do is part my hair, section of hair off, kind of feel my way through, and then I just start by actually putting the comb down into my hair and actually closing the clip-in to secure each clip-in in place. And then I always comb it just to even out each section of hair, and I'm just going to repeat that process. And here guys, I'm not doing it like I'm not striving for perfection, because you're actually not going to see this part. I'm actually not even using a mirror, guys. As you can see, I'm actually recording this from my camera. I'm not using like a mirror, using my camera. So this is a really easy process. I'm really feeling my way through. So again, repeating this process. I parted my hair here. I'm going to prep the hair by flat ironing each piece. And this kind of helps me at the end. So I'm going to open each clip. I'm going to feel my way through, and I'm going to put each clip down into my hair to make sure it is secured. And I'm going to close each clip just like I did the first row. And then of course I'm going to take my comb just to even out the hair, and yeah, just make everything manageable as I continue this process. And I just kind of leave a little bit of space between each row. So here I think I'm on my 3rd row. Again, I'm not doing the part straight. I'm just kind of feeling my way through. And here I'm going to use a longer piece of hair and probably a short piece as well. Repeating the process. I'm going to comb it out just so things are pretty even. And if you can see guys, my hair blends really well with these clip-ins. And again, I have the 20-inch Light Yaki from Curlsqueen, and everything will be in the description box, including a discount code. Again, I'm prepping each section of hair, combing it out first, and then I'm going to actually again take my flat iron and just get it pretty straight. And again, I'm going to repeat this process at the end, where I'll just run my flat iron through my hair, all of my hair, when I'm actually finished. So I'm going to speed this up a little bit, guys. So I'm just repeating the process, feeling my way through. I used the long piece there, and then I think I'm going to use the little bit of a shorter piece here on the side. I want to make sure you comb it out again. Repeating the process here, guys. You're going to part, comb, prep the hair, flat iron, open your clips. And again, place it in your head. Repeating the same steps. And I promise this is a really, really easy process, guys. And here I'm just counting how many pieces I have left. We are almost done. And I used all of the clip-ins because I wanted a nice full look. So here I'm just going to repeat the process, and we're almost done. So I have a long piece here, and then I'm going to use the actual short piece to finish up this row. I want to comb it out, placing it here on the side. And I know my part's not straight. Again, I'm not using a mirror. I'm just recording from my camera, but I'll make sure I get it straight at the end. So we're almost at the end. I have 2 left. This is my last piece here. And here we have all the clip-ins installed. I'm just going to get everything combed out evenly. And see how well it's blending, guys. I really, really like this hair. I would have never thought to use Yaki hair. In the past, I've always used silky straight, but I am in love with this Yaki hair. It blends really well. And here's the back so you guys can see it. It gave my hair a really full look. And I'm just going to take the brush that I was given by Curlsqueen just to make sure everything is combed out pretty even. You can't even see the clip-ins. And again, my natural hair blends really well. Love, love, love this hair. And everything will be in the description box, including the discount code. And I will definitely order again from Curlsqueen. I highly recommend this hair. Hold on, guys, I'm going to go part my hair and I will be right back. So yeah, I have my hair parted down the middle, and I'm just going to run the flat iron through really quickly again, because I was already kind of doing this step when I was, prepping the hair to install it. So I'm just going to flat iron it just a little again. I'm not going to spend much time here, guys. My hair is already blended really well. And I am in love. I am in love. My hair blends really, really, really well. The hair is good quality. It's soft. And yeah, I really recommend this. Like, this is an honest review. 20-inch Light Yaki hair from Curlsqueen. I'm just going to turn to the side and give you guys a side profile look. Again, my hair is really full. None of the clips are showing. And yeah, I think I am cute. Just gonna pull it to the side, let you guys see. Pull it to the back. And I'm just gonna turn around and let you guys see how the back looks again. It's really full. I really, really like this hair. So now I'm just going to show you guys how it looks with a few curls. I'm not like a girl that likes curls. I like my hair like straight. And I'm not the best curler, so I'm going to speed this part up, and I will show you guys a overlay picture at the end. But again, thank you guys for watching this video. And again, all of the information will be in the description box, including a discount code. And again, this is the 20-inch Light Yaki hair from Curlsqueen. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I ask that you give it a thumbs up. That really helps me out. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed as much as I enjoyed installing these clip-ins. Have a good day. Bye.